National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Loudoun County in Northern Virginia, Northeastern Shenandoah County in Northwestern Virginia, Southeastern Frederick County in Northwestern Virginia, Warren County in Northwestern Virginia, Clarke County in Northwestern Virginia, Northwestern Fauquier County in Northern Virginia, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Strasburg, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Front Royal, Strasburg, Berryville, Delaplane, Linden, Middletown, Morristown, Boyce, Toms Brook, White Post, Seven Fountains, Riverton, Carl, Blue Mountain, Nineveh, Bethel, Clary, Fort Valley, Howellsville, and Dilbeck. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service